Hi, what's up, Annie? Welcome to Richlight Insider. Today we're going to talk about 3 stocks I'm buying in New Year 2022. We're going to talk about what's going on in the market and 3 stocks I'm buying in 2022. If you have more questions, you can comment down in the description and comment below. Okay, October 25th, 2021, the stock market. Let's compare that with December. And if you look at the S&P 500 was 4,568, but December 30th, 4,778. So it's definitely up. But for Dow Jones, December 30th is 36,398. But if you look at it, 35, 741. So it's also up. Dow Jones is also up. Nasdaq 15,741 and 2026 in October 25th, so it's also up. But Russell is different. Russell 2000, if you look at it, 2248 and October 2300. So Russell is down, compared to October. Crude oil is also down, $83 right here, $76 right here. Gold, silver hasn't changed so much, if you look at it. Yeah, currency doesn't change much. The 10-year bond went down at 1.515, and if you look at Bitcoin is very significant. Bitcoin is 47,000, and October in Bitcoin is 62,000. The whole crypto market was up 1,500, and it's down 1,190, and then the stock exchange 7,400 and 7,222. Then the stock exchange was also up. Japanese stock exchange 28,600, 28,791. So Japanese stock market hasn't gone up so much. So that's one of the reasons why I like US stock market. US stock market is one of the best stock markets in the world. It has a higher probability to go up in any compared to other market. So December 30th, 2021 stock market mostly red, except for the entertainment and hair care, maybe paper. So 3 stock I'm buying in 2022. This is not a financial advice. You can make a lot of money. All investment have risk, and you can lose all your money. So invest only what you can afford to lose. Do your independent research before buying or selling. This is just my opinion, information, and entertainment purposes only. Let's go and check out stock number 1. Is it Google? No, it's not Google. Google is up 67.83% for the past year, 2021. And Apple is up 27.22%. So basically, if you invested $100, you make $37 in profit. $1,000, $370. So Google, if you invested $1,000, you make $670. So which is quite a lot. Netflix is only 15.22%. You only made about if you invested 1,000, you only make $150. So how about Amazon? Amazon, you only make 4.64%. So which is like if you put in only $100, you only make $4, about $5. So if you invested $1,000, you only make about $50. So I believe them gonna change. So this is gonna be my stock number 3, Amazon, because in 2021, the comparison between 2020 and 2021 was brutal because 2020 was locked down, everybody stay home. Now 2021, everybody open up, so people did not buy on Amazon as much as compared to 2020. So it was a very difficult year to beat. 2020 was a very difficult year to beat, but now we are going to 2022. The comparison will be much more similar, compared to 2021. So I believe Amazon gonna have more broader lines, and their services gonna be better. The Amazon Web Services is gonna be better as well. So we can see more revenue jump, and they might probably get into they already got into autonomous driving. They might probably get into metaverse as well. You never know. So that's the reason why I'm going to buy Amazon, just because all those reasons. Plus, last year it did not move much, so stock tend to go up much higher. If the previous year did not move so much, if the stock went up like 100%, no, I would say this year probably not Amazon. So I do not like investing in stock that has went up like 100% in 1 year. That's too much. But it will be interesting to see how much Google is gonna go up this year. And another stock that I like, stock number 2, gonna be Facebook. Facebook was 25%, so it lost to S&P 500. S&P 500 went up about 28-29% last year. So I think Facebook gonna change because of this one. Metaverse. Facebook stock is still pretty cheap. If you look at it, only 24 P ratio. Amazon 65, yeah, that's pretty normal. 54. Apple 31. Google 27. Facebook is only 24. Facebook is the cheapest of all those three if you look at P ratio. But Metaverse, Facebook gonna sell a lot of Oculus, in my opinion. In 2022, they already opened up the physical store to sell that, and plus, once you get all the infrastructure hardware, people already own all of those things. Facebook can do a lot in terms of software layout. They can create their own metaverse world, and people can go to meetings without going to physically. So the metaverse gonna be really really big, really big for the trend for 2022. So that's stock number 2. How about stock number 1? I like Pfizer. Pfizer, it was at 60% last year, but I think the trend's gonna go into 2022 because of Omicron, a lot of variant coming, and also there are a lot of countries which haven't got enough vaccine yet. So Pfizer could make a lot of more money with the booster shots, a lot of variant coming, and they're gonna have also COVID cure, like COVID pay, stuff like that. So and they pay 2.71% dividend. So when I started buying, it was only $30 plus. So the dividend yield was much higher, about 3%. So I like Pfizer, but if it jumped to $70 within the next 3 to 6 months, I think it's a lot. So I think it might be time to take profit. 2022, if it goes up higher than $70. So these are the 3 stocks that I like: Amazon, Facebook, and Pfizer for 2022. You can watch more of my videos on here. Go to playlist. You can watch Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, Tesla stock, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stock trading, and stimulus check, real estate. A lot of the good stuff. So if I just started, you want to get free stocks and free cryptocurrency, just go to any of my videos. In the description, you can get free trading stock account. You can get free bonus, free bonus for open an account. You can get free Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, a lot of the free stuff you can get. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below where you're watching from. Like and share this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.